Hello, FCS 2250 computer application students. Mr. Lang here, and this is a quick onboarding tutorial about our Cirrus 2.0 completing assignments version 2.0, if you will. So there's another video that will be underneath here that you are probably clicked on already, but that is going to bring you down and demonstrate, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of our course's homepage, Mr. Lang completing Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access exercise tutorials. If you click on this link right here, it is going to bring you to my playlist of all of my exercises that I complete. We have Access exercises, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of the exercises. I have a tutorial for going through it verbatim. Direction by direction. All right. So for example, if I click on my Microsoft Word one here, I'm just going to go ahead and click through it a little bit here, and I'm going to hit pause for a second, and I am actually working through these directions for you. Now, what I like to do is I like to load up my exercise again. Actually, I probably should have showed you that. So here I am in Word. I go to Word section 1, and here are my exercises all the way at the bottom here. We know we have 2 exercises to complete, exercise 1 and 2 for section 1. So again, I've already loaded those up over here for this demonstration. So I could go back to this location. Oh, did it time out because I had no timeout? Let's see if it will help me resume. Okay, good. So here I loaded up the actual assignment, and that way I could watch this tutorial here while I go through here. I'm going to pause this, but again, I go through those directions, all of them, and when I'm all said and done, I go through and see if I did them correctly, and I did. So I got 100% on this exercise, and so if you follow along with me, you should be able to get 100% on all of your exercises as well. So again, here is let me go back to this here. This will bring you to my playlist with all of those exercises that I complete and go through. All right. So I hope that helps out. Again, if you ever have any technical assistance needs, I do have a video here. How do I get technical support with Cirrus? I got a video right there. It will bring you to that, bring you to the Kendall Hunt page here. You can click start a chat, bring you over to technical support there. It may ask you, hey, can I have your name? And it'll start. This technical support chat is critical as you're working through here. If you run into some technical needs, that will be your first line of defense. A lot of students will email me, and guess what I will tell you? Go start a chat with Cirrus. Those guys and gals over there will really help you out. So I hope that helps help you get going on those exercises. Thank you all for being my students, and have a great day.